Hello? In this video, we'll set up an automation system for automatically creating and publishing posts across various social networks. In my case, I'll be demonstrating with Telegram. This automation will handle the entire process from content generation to publishing, making it perfect for maintaining an active social media presence without manual effort. Let's get started. First, click the three dots and select Load File to import the JSON workflow file. Next, we need to upload a book on our topic to Superbase as a vector database. This will serve as the information source for our automation to create posts from. Go to the Superbase website and register for an account. I've already done this step. Then create a new project. Navigate to the SQL Editor tab, where we need to paste some code. To get this code, go to n8n, find the Superbase node, and click the Open Docs tab. Follow the path I'm showing in the video to find the SQL code for creating a new table in Superbase. Copy this SQL code, return to Superbase, and paste it into the SQL editor. Click the Run button and your table will be created. Now, we need to connect the API key. Click the Project Overview tab and scroll down to find the URL and API key. Copy both of these values and paste them into the corresponding fields in n8n. Perfect. Superbase is now connected. Now we need to upload a book to Google Drive. The book must be in TXT format for this automation to work properly. Also, don't forget to connect your Google API to n8n. I'm skipping this step in this video since it's straightforward. In previous videos, I showed how to connect Google Sheets, and Google Drive connects exactly the same way. In the Google Drive node, select our file, our book in TXT format. Perfect. Now click the Start button to begin the process of uploading the book into our vector database. Let's check Superbase to verify everything worked correctly. Excellent. The data has appeared in our table, which means our book content is now stored in the vector database and ready to be used by our automation system for generating posts. Now, let's begin with our main automation setup. First, go to the Superbase Vector Store node under the AI agent and select our API connection along with the table we need. Next, we need to connect a Google Sheet. Here's an example of my table structure, which will record the topics that have been used to prevent repetition. You'll also need to connect this same Google Sheet to the Sheets node. For the configuration settings, follow exactly what I'm showing in the video. We also need to connect the openai API to all the GPT nodes. There are 5 of them in this automation. This process is straightforward, and I've covered how to do this in previous videos. Step 1. The AI agent comes up with an idea based on a vector database. Then, a code node splits the text into parts. Next, a Google Sheets node saves just the title of the idea to a spreadsheet. After that, the AI creates a solid prompt to generate an image. Now we move on to the HTTP request node. This one connects to FAL.ai. Go to FAL.ai, sign up, then open the Explore tab and look for Flux Pro. Once you're there, click the API tab, choose HTTP, and follow the setup instructions. But no worries, I've already pre-built the whole thing. Just grab the JSON file in the video description and drop in your own API key. To get that key, go to the Home tab on FAL.ai, then to API keys, generate one, and copy it. In n8n, find the field that says key and paste your key with a space after the word key. Super important. All right, now we're connected. FAL.ai isn't free though. You'll need to add credits to generate images. After that, there's a wait node. It just holds for 30 seconds. Then, another HTTP request node grabs the image URL using the same API key. Last step, Telegram. My flow sends the final result to a Telegram bot, but you can change it to Instagram, Facebook, whatever works for you. I showed how to connect Telegram in a previous video, or I might make a separate one just for that. That's the whole setup. It's simple, it works, and the full project file is linked below. Hit that like button, subscribe, and get ready for more cool automations. Catch you in the next one.